Hey, what's good, everyone? Before we start this bus adventure, let's go ahead and make sure we like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and turn on the post notification bell so that you do not miss another upload. And today, I'm here with a bus video. I'm here with another bus adventure and with another video of me riding the bus. So right now, we're currently waiting for Sis Tayo, Officer of the Tile, the real leader, to approach. And so yeah, currently waiting here at the bus stop. So this is my 6th bus or 7th bus adventure, and after that I'm gonna have the Waymo stuff in it as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's wait for the bus. We'll have to wait here till it comes, and after that the bus should be pulling out right over there. So yeah, the bus should be pulling out right over there. And let me just get my headphones wrapped away. Just get my headphones wrapped out so that I can get ready for my bus video or bus ride, whatever the hell you want to call it. So the bus is gonna pop out right over there. It's gonna pop out right over there. And it looks like the bus should be on its way right now. And after that, once it gets here, after when it gets here, we should be all good. We should be all good to go by that. I have my battery pack with me. I have it, so I can charge my phone, the Note 9, of course. And looks like we're right on time for the bus. We're right on time. So the bus should be pulling out right over there. It should be coming out right over there. Right over there. Yep, it should pull out right about there. Yep, right over there. After that, once it gets over here, then we're all good. Then we're all good. Well, let's wait here. Oh, there it is. There's a bus right over there. Woohoo! It's right over there. Yep, here we go. Bus time. Woohoo! Bus is here. Woohoo! Ka-chow! Here we go. Bus time. Oh, almost dropped it. Alright. There's the bus. Right over there. Alright, mask is on. And I'm ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. Woohoo! Oh, never mind. Bus pulled off right over there. Alright, I have the money ready. Yep, I have it. Have it ready, shown. Alright. So once the bus gets here, we'll get on the bus. Woohoo! And here it comes. Officer Tyler, the real leader, is coming. Alright, with the Waymo sounds in the video. Right. It's recording still. Oh, almost dropped it. Alright, here we go. Bus time. Right over there. Woohoo! There it is. Right over there. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah. Right there. Woohoo! Here we go. Bus time awaits. Alright, here we go. Bus time. Woohoo! Here we go. Hey, Bessie.
Good afternoon, PJ Sonic. This bus is all yours, no one up front.
I'll take that from you. Whoop, got it. And I'm good. Excuse me, come through. And off we go.
Heading to Aquarius.
Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the help button to speak with a rider support agent.
Now, as we're enjoying the ride. Alright. Buzz video waits. all good. No one is behind me. Thank God I got out of the house early, so we can do the bus adventure, or the bus ride. PJ Sonic rides with Silver Rider. That's what we're gonna be doing. If you're enjoying the ride, give it a like. Give it a like on the video, or a bus ride. Does not matter. Zooming out.
arriving shortly at...
Aquarius.
Please keep your seatbelt fastened until we reach your destination and remember to take all your belongings.
I guess someone pressed it, so I'm not gonna push it. I guess this is my stop. Alright, here we are at the stop. Alright. Thank you.
We've arrived.
Alright. Alright, so looks like that's it for our video. That's it for part 1. So I hope if you had a great time, please let me know down in the comments, write it down below. After that, please make sure to follow my link tree, link in the description. Please go ahead and do so. That'll be you know, way better. And on that, I'm gonna go ahead and close this first ride, part 1 up. So on that, I catch you all. I'm out. Catch y'all on the next clip of the bus. Woohoo! Alright, hey, what's good everyone? Before we start this video, let's go ahead and make sure we turn on make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to the on position so that you do not miss another upload. And today, we're here with part 2 of the bus ride. Now we need to turn the brightness down, alright? So there we go. So here we are. We're at the bus here, at the bus stop here. Oh, I can see him. Alright, so right now we're waiting for a bus. So please join me on the bus ride here with part 2. It's called PJ Sonic, and it's called PJ Sonic Rides with Silver Rider. So we're waiting for a bus. Alright, here we go. The bus is gonna be here any minute. Alright, I hope the bus is over there. Alright, gonna put the camera down so the bus can come. Alright, the bus is over there. Pass is ready. Alright, there's the bus. There it is. You were right. 2 minutes. Alright, so there it is. The bus is right over there. It's right over there. Alright, here we come. Here we come. Well, nice singing, dude.
I call it making a lot of noise. You hear me? I'm trying to find it. You hear me? I'm trying to find it.
Hell yeah. And also, can I feature you in my video? Can I feature you? Can I feature you in my video?
Oh, you doing video?
Yeah, I'm doing a video. Yeah, about the bus. Yeah, see, kind of like right now. We're on the bus. Yeah, PJ Sonic, Ride with Silver Rider. Hey, buddy. It's been a long time.
Good evening, PJ Sonic.
I'm good.
This bus is all yours with no one up front.
Gotcha.
Alright, let's get to another room. And I'm gonna get up here. There we go. Just get my backpack off.
The park.
Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the help button to speak with a rider support agent.
I wonder if we're turning right at the light. Yep, we're turning right.
arriving shortly at...
The park.
Please keep your seatbelt fastened until we reach your destination and remember to take all your belongings.
Have a blessed night.
Thank you.
We've arrived.
Alright, we're done now. Alright, guess we can cross. Alright. So now, since we have that taken care of, now all we need to do is just cross. All we need to do is just cross the street. Alright, let's go ahead and cross now. Since we have time, let's go ahead and cross here. Then we're gonna cross the second. Alright, there we go. We made it. Looks like we made it now. Okay. So now, since we have that taken care of. Oh shit, flashlight off. Shoot. Okay, hold on. We're gonna have to get there really quick. So let's go on ahead. Let's just get ourselves a move on. I know you can't see it now. I know you can't see right now because someone's right there, so I don't want to shine my light at him. Okay, so as we approach the park, as we approach the park, which the things that's where we usually go to end our bus video or bus adventure. It doesn't matter what the heck you say it. Doesn't matter which way you say it. Alright, so anyways, so that should be it for our buzz video. So after that, if you have enjoyed this buzz video, please let me know in the comments right down below. If you have enjoyed it, please tell me yes or no. If you enjoyed it, then please like the video and give it a comment. And after that, thanks to Officer Tayo for driving, and with my wife Amalia, of course. And after that, please just things that if people want to be sad, then please let them be sad. Because the things that in real life, family just things that they just don't even care. It's like every time they freaking grow up, it's like what the heck. All right, so right now, let's take a shortcut. Let's take a shortcut. All right, shortcut is taken. Perfect. All right, there should be someone here at the park. I don't know who. Alright, so looks like we're getting close. We're getting close. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and put this buzz video up on my YouTube channel. So if you all enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like. And please put your comments right down below. Please do so. And there we have it. Oh shoot. Flashlight off. It's better if I have it off. Some people don't know I'm doing this. Doing buzz videos or some crap like that. So anyways, please go ahead, follow my Instagram link. I mean the Linktree. If you follow the Linktree link, please go ahead and do that. That would be super duper awesome. If you do that, then that will make me so proud. After that, please go ahead and give me more followers on the Linktree page. If you tap Instagram, and that should take care of it. Or not. Alright. So looks like that should be it for the video. So with that being said, I just want to say thanks so much for watching this bus video. Or this bus adventure. I hope you had a great time. Please go ahead and comment down below in the comment section. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Please go ahead and punch that notification bell to the all position so that you do not miss another upload from me. And make sure to go ahead and follow that Linktree link I put in the description. Go ahead and tap that and follow the Instagram and Twitter. Tap those two and it should lead you right to that. And on that, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and please go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this video off now. So on that, I catch you all. I am out of here. Catch y'all on the next buzz video. Woohoo! Okie dokie! If you have enjoyed this buzz adventure, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. So on that, I catch you all. I'm out of here. See you on the next video.